A very cheerful afternoon, everyone. I, Anchal Verma, welcome you all on the workshop on H5P Tools. In this workshop, we would learn what is the meaning of H5P Tools, why these are our needs now, and why do we need it in creating interactive content for our teaching. And what is interactive content? When we are in our teaching line, we need to share our knowledge with our students and the people around us through online medium. Sometimes we are not able to make it through a video or audio file. Then we need something to just create some innovation in that work. For that, nowadays we are using H5P tools. Exactly, H5P tools help us to create our content in an interactive way so that the students can feel attached to that and they can feel that they are doing something. It's not just a video they are watching, rather they are just participating in some interaction with their teachers. So in this workshop, whatever you're going to learn is interactive videos, course presentation, quiz presentation, drag the word, multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks, single set questions, drag and drop, questionnaire, flashcards, and make the word. These are one of the most widely used applications of H5P tools. So we would begin with this only. First of all, what exactly is H5P? H5P is an abbreviation which is used for HTML5 package, a free and open source content collaboration framework based on JavaScript. The framework consists of a web-based content editor for sharing content types. In simple terms, it is your content editor. If you have already made a video, you can turn that video into an interactive video, or you can use that video to present your course along with the notes, PDFs, or anything. So this helps you. This is a medium with which you can prepare a proper course and a proper interactive video and share it with your students. Its website is h5p.org. Many of you might be knowing this. It's a community website where H5P applications and content types are shared. It's free and people are using it for creating online courses. If you have happened to do any online course from any foreign university these days, then you can see that they have also collaborated and incorporated all the H5P material in their courses, and that is quite useful and it helps and it even accelerates learning. The main aim or objective of H5P is to make it easy for everyone to create, share and reuse the HTML5 content. It's very easy. Once you will learn it, you will find it very easy and comfortable to use. And secondly, its interface is very simple. We would definitely understand this also. Now, what is the need of H5P tools? Well, the immediate upsurge in e-learning nowadays in the education system gave rise to its need, so that we can have a blended sort of classroom or blended teaching we can provide to our students, and that is why we are using H5P. Whatever content we create through H5P, whether it is flashcards, mark the words, videos, anything, we can embed it into our LMS. LMS are learning management systems, are the websites on which we are teaching, through which we are teaching, and on which we can publish this, we can embed this, share over there, such as Moodle, WordPress, then Blackboard, Drupal and the like. There are many more websites where you can just share the link or you can embed it. You can directly share it with your students also with the help of these messengers like WhatsApp, and the students can use it, and you can even take the feedback from your students with the help of H5P. So here we have the utility or the uses of H5P. H5P helps to create basic interactive content for the learners, as I already said. आप जो भी अपनी videos और interactive content बनाते हो वो आप अपने learners से share कर सकते हो, and that is very easy and very impressive when you make it, when you add questions, when you add all these type of different questions or methods you use to just enhance the learning of your students. So this content varies from quizzes, presentations, video games, videos or games, to course creation and many more. There are some memory games also which you can just incorporate if you are teaching words or vocabulary, or if you are from any subject, any other subject, you can even use it to just ask MCQ questions, or in many ways. The content created with H5P can not only be downloaded and further uploaded to these LMS websites, but you can also edit it over there. So that is very flexible and easy for teachers, because all the teachers cannot make videos all the time, so they need to just present their course in an impressive way. So they can just share a link on H5P, and there they can edit it and just add their questions or whatever they wish to ask to their students, and then they embed that particular video and share it with their students. So this is how you can make your learning impressive and easy to grasp. The content created can be embedded and further shared with the learners through different mediums. As I already said, that it's not necessary that the link can be embedded and shared only on the LMS websites, but through the messengers like WhatsApp or email, you can send the link if you just want to share with your students. So you can do it in this way also. This is also an easy way that your students would just click on the link and start studying from the video and answering the questions. With this, you can even add the feedback. So this is all about H5P. Now we would learn more about its interactive interface, how we get it, how we use it, what are the common tools over there. First of all, we would learn about that, and then we would begin with our courses one by one, whatever contents we are going to make. So thank you so much for this. Now we would move on to our next section of the workshop. So first of all, we would just search H5P and go to its interface from here, H5P. Okay, here we would click. This is our h5p.org. This is the website where we need to go. Okay, so this is the interface of H5P. First of all, you need to understand all these, and then we will just move on to, you can create your free account here, and if you already have your account, then you can click on login. And as far as examples and downloads are concerned, when you click here, you can have an idea what type of tests we can create or what type of interactions we can add to our videos, such as interactive video, course presentation, branching, and then see, all these are given here. If you want to check the example of any particular one, then you can have an idea of, okay, we have this one. I can give you an idea of course presentation. This is the example. As you can see, there is a picture in the background and some explanation in the front. This is jump to the red current. It is also given here when you will see its edit page, or when we will prepare a course. There you will see how this comes. This is a jump on tool over there available. If you directly want to jump onto some other slide, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the slides they have created in course presentation. So if you just see this and go to the next slide, from here also you can go to the slide. Now they've asked a multiple sort of question. What color do ripe cloudberries have? We can click on any if you want to. Let's see whether it's correct. Yeah, it's correct. What country has a special section of cloudberry diplomacy in their Ministry of Foreign Affairs? Okay, I don't know the answer, so I would click here. Okay, this is correct. It is from Rose family. Okay, this is correct. So all my 3 questions are correct. So this is how we have a course presentation. This one is a fill up, and next they were added some statements. Here is a video they have just incorporated to make it more impressive and interactive. Now statement sort of questions, question on blueberry, and then this one drag, and the last one is again a kind of multiple sort of question. So this is how the course is presented, and it is not necessary that if you are a teacher of maths then you cannot present a course. No, there are many ways with this type of statement questions, or specific single set questions, multiple type of questions. You can easily prepare a test. You just need to be innovative a bit. So this is what we have in examples and downloads. We can check whichever type of test or whichever type of material we want to prepare, we can. For documentation, there is just a detail about that what exactly different type of H5p installation setup, content, author guide, so you can read about it. And then goals and roadmaps, if you want to just have an idea about what exactly H5p is and how it works, what is its function, then you can just see here. Now we would directly move on to create free account if we don't have an account, but I already have an account, so I would just go to login. When I would log in, I'm already logged into my account. I have just saved my data over there. So now here is the interface of your account. So now I want to see, they have given me an option view, edit, contents, comments. Whatever tests I have created till now, they have given me an option to edit any of these, or I can create a new one. And for creating a new one, I need to go to view, and here I would click to try out H5p. This is the tool. Next, whichever type of content you would want to create, and then you need to click here in the list. If you want to make a course presentation, a questionnaire, a single set question, you will click here and start preparing. What you need to keep in your mind is that from here, if the dot is here, then you can search here what you want to have to create your course, or if you have already made a material, then you can click on upload. It would give you an option to choose a file from your PC or anywhere, then you can upload, and then you can make it an interactive content. Now another thing which you need to understand is that whatever you want to create, it is available in the list. If it is not there, then you can click here on the search box and then get it. Now another particular aspect which is almost common in all these particular contents is, okay, single choice set, I will tell there. Whenever you would open a particular set, a particular section, there you will find this type of window, that is, they give you a demo, just a demo, that how this would look after you would prepare it. You can click here, check the demo, then cross it and use that. When you will click on the use, and then this particular interface would open. Interface for all different content types are different. The commonest things are title. There you need to give a title with which you would like to have your file. यहाँ पे जो भी आप title दोगे, that with that your file will be presented. Then as my particular content section was single set question, so the interface is of question and alternatives. Here I would type my question, here I would type my answers, and then move on. Another common aspect in all different created content sections are overall feedback. If you want to add some feedback or a score range, then this would definitely appear every time you would create content with the help of any set of section from here. So they would give you an idea. Here you can add a score range of your own choice, like if you want the students to be an average, so you can add range. So this will give you 40%, 50%. How much you want to add, you can give a feedback here, that for 0 to 50 you can write good here, or better luck next time, and for the 100% or more than 50% you can write congratulations. So this is how these are important, congratulations. And this is how this is common in all different content types. Then comes the behavioral settings. What these behavioral settings are, some sort of things are already clicked here that you can see. These are default. If you want to just deselect that, you can. Auto continue, we want that, so that is already taken. Time out on correct answers. If you want to set a particular time limit for your students, you can set here. Time out for wrong answers, again you can set. You want to enable or disable sound effects, enable retry button, that is always selected. If you don't want to retry, you don't want that your students would retry that, you can even deselect it like this. Enable show solution button. Obviously if it's just a revision test, then we would go by these only, otherwise we can deselect also. You can decide the pass percentage as well. And then once your test is ready, once your section is ready, you just click on here on the save button. And I think you now have a bit of idea how you just create a material here. When we check on with some other aspect, that was single sweat, I would just go by one more, and then you would have an idea how to have it. We would have we would have interactive videos. That is very important part of H5P tools, that because most of the times it is used to create interactive videos. So when we clicked there, we have this kind of interface. Title would be there, they will give you an option to upload or embed any video of yours, and then you further add those behavioral settings as we already discussed. So what you need to do here is, again, add a title, add interactive video on this particular topic, and then your first step is you would upload a video. It gives us an option whenever you need to incorporate a video to H5P. It gives you two options when you click here. One, you can upload the file from your own PC, or you can just paste the URL of any YouTube video. And once you are done with this, then we go to the step second. Step second is always whatever video is inserted, we can add interactions to that we will learn it once we would do. And then third one is the summary task, if we want to add a specific summary to that, as it otherwise it is given default also. So this is what we have an interface of. Another thing which we need to keep in mind is that if you have no idea of H5P, nothing to do with your workshops or anything, if you just afresh, you want to start, then you can click here on the tutorial. It will always give you an idea what is an interactive video and then how to prepare it. See, this is an interactive video. If I would click here, and then it would be played. You can see here they have set this dot or this pointer. This tells that this is an interactive video and it has some functions to be done. So they have given an example also what all are included in this. I would just let it play and just watch it. So here it is paused and they have asked something. Okay, so it is up to us whether we want to play or pause, while there are questions appearing on the screen. So that is, again, so they have given an idea of open summary question, so we can click it. It will keep on moving. They have not selected the pause. So all these functions are there. Now we would learn that how we can add these functions to our own videos. So let's begin with the first section of our workshop. Let's start with H5P Tools. So first of all, we would search here h5p.org. As we've got it, now we would just directly go to its website. H5P Tools help us to create interactive videos, fun course presentations. We can do any sort of additions, and we can even add on many type of images, videos, interactive videos, course presentations with the help of H5P Tools. So this is the interface, and if you don't have an account, you can create free account. If you just want to have a look what type of services this offers, then you can click on examples and downloads, and here it is. The widely used aspects are interactive videos, course presentation, branching scenario as we do in the mind mapping, and then we have a quiz, we have chat, we have collage, we have drag and drop, drag the words, fill in the blanks, multiple hotspots. So such type of services it provides us. Now if you don't have an account, you can move here and create a free account. As I already have my account, I'll go to login first of all, and here is my account. See, for making any new interactive video or any type of course presentation, you will do it with try out H5P. As I have made one, and we will make the changes on that only. I will just show you the one I've just used. See, this is the video on body language, embedded one. I've already made it. This is a type of interactive video you have. These type of symbols express that you have already made some changes in your video. So when I would play this video, I have taken the one where I had no text included, so that I can have a better idea. I will directly take you here.
Would definitely get engaged.
So here you will see.
Right now, the first one is eye contact.
So I have used this pause facility so that you can read it. Eye contact. Secondly, I have only given labels here.
Be natural.
Be natural. So these are the labels, and when I've used questions, so I would have this type of symbol on my video. Now I will play it here. It will not take much time.
I'm talking to general public. I'm talking to
now it will come up with the question. So this is also, when we click on it, we have a true false question. Too many hand gestures are required while speaking. Is it true or false? False. I will check it. Yes, it is. So only then my video would be continued. Now I just want to make you understand another particular example, which I have tried to make my video an interactive one for the students to understand this particular aspect, body language. So see,
for
here
attaining
also
the
you
body
will
language,
get a question
three
on
things
this.
we need to keep in our mind: that we need to have perfect
This
posture.
pointer is like, what are the three important aspects of body language? LSRW, gestures, postures, facial expressions, or English language. So the three, this is a multiple choice question. Gestures, postures, and facial expressions are the important part. Now my video would be continued. So in this way, you can make your video an embedded one in H5P Tools and make it interactive. So now we will create one such video with our account. Try H5P Tools. This is the place where you have to click. So I've already given you a demo what type of interactive video we are going to create. We will use the same video only so that you can have a better idea. See, this is a list. Here we have all the options, what type of videos we want to create. And now as I want interactive video, so I will click here. If you don't find it in the list, you can search it also. For interactive video, as I have already presented you with the demo, they have also provided us with so many demonstrations. We would not use it. We'll click on use to make a new one, and this is the interface which will appear for interactive video. If you want a tutorial, you can click here. If you directly want to make your own video, so you can begin with that. So we will start with that. So title, Title would be body language. I would take the same video for better understanding. So now there are two options when you click on this upload video. One, you can upload it from your own screen, or you can take it from your YouTube. On YouTube you can search any video related to subject, or you can have your own video as well. You just need to copy the URL. Just to save the time, I have already added my own account of YouTube, and I have clicked on your videos. I have my videos here, so I will click on this one. I will just copy its URL, copy link address, copy image. So I need to open it, only then I would get its URL. I will pause so that the sound would not get merged, and copy video URL. I just need to copy it and I will paste it here only. Paste. So we have to click on insert. Now our first step is complete. See, the difference of uploading the video from your own PC and taking it from YouTube is that there is a restriction on uploading, that you can upload only 16 MB video, which is not possible for a video sometimes. So we can directly take it from YouTube. Now the step 2 is we will add interactions to the video we have already taken as a URL from YouTube. So this is the video we have. What type of changes, what type of additions we want to make, here appears on the screen above my video toolbar. With the help of this toolbar, I can add interactions to my video. First one is labeling. Labeling is like a heading to whatever you are presenting. Text, you can add any type of text, as I've shown you. There written eye contact and be natural, so that was the text I included in the video. Then the table, if you have any statistics to present, you can. Moving further, you have the option of link. You can include that. You can include another image if you want to add on. Then statements. If you have any statements regarding your video, you can add. You want to just give a detail of that. Then I have single choice set questions. If I have only one particular answer, choice is one out of those, MCQ as we call it. Then we have multiple choice questions. We have true false. We have fill ups, drag and drop, and mark the words, all sort of assignments which we provide after the lesson to our students. This is crossword, drag test, navigation. Navigation will take you to directly to the spot you want to go. So now we would begin with that. I would just try to mute the voice of this video so that it would not merge. Once we will make it, and then we will show you. So I will play the video from the beginning. I would have a particular set of welcome and all. I don't want to include any text here. 5 basic tips to improve body language. So if I want to add something here, I can, but it is already well explained, so I will not add it here. I will go a bit further, and I will just let you listen what it says and play.
Confident, of course. So body language is...
So here I have just spoken body language word. I would like to add a label here, right? I will add a label. Now when you come on this interface, it provides you aids one by one. See, tutorials, example, you can step by step as well learn. By default, it gives a time of 10 seconds. Whatever label, text, question displayed on screen would be of 10 seconds. If you want to increase or decrease, you can increase. I want to decrease it to 5 seconds, so I will add only 26 here instead of. And yes, very important aspect is, if you want your video to be paused while the student is reading, then you can add this pause as well. Or if you don't want, then you should not select it. As it is just a label, I'm not asking any question, I would not add any pause here. I will directly add the label, and my label would be body language. I would write in the caps on. You can change its text, make it in the center, wherever you want to. So now click on the done aspect. See, here it is. Okay, just a moment. Here it is, body language. Now you can drag it anywhere you want to be. Let it come here, or you want to just edit it once more, you can. Now I don't want to make any changes, I will just move further. Now again I would play the video and you will listen.
Which is the basic need in modern era is eye contact. Well, when we
So here I've just said that eye contact. So I would like to add that label. I would like to add text. For text it will appear in the form of a dot. See, you want to add any label, first technique, you can add first technique. So you can add trick number 1. So here it is, and the text I want to add is eye contact. I'm using just caps so that it will give a look of an eye. Now if you want it to be shown as a button, then it will only give that hand button, or if you want to be displayed it, then you can use poster. So I want it in the form of a poster. If you want to add any visuals to that, you can click on it. I don't want it, so I will just directly go on done. So here it is. You can resize it as per your need, as per your requirement. I want it of this much size and I want it to be, let appear it here only. It will appear in this way. Moving further, whenever I will speak body language, whatever I would speak, if I would use about the second aspect,
you need to have confident eye contact.
So right now I'm going with the eye contact
your
only.
Inner confidence. Second, moving on to the next one, that is be natural. Well,
so next one is be natural. We want to add another label. We want to add another text. Then we would add here directly, we would label it second, that is technique. It can be used once you are on hands-on with this. You can use it right now also. You can have your laptop open and one by one you can use it with me as well. This will definitely help you. And now I want to write be natural. Okay, so I just want to display it as a poster. It will be displayed in the form of poster. So here it is, be natural. I will resize it in this way only. I wanted my video to be paused. It will be paused here. Now once I've complete this, I will now mute the sound so that I can add the questions. Moving further here and there. Here I want to add somewhere near, just to give a demo.
Professional, right? Then the last one, which you need to definitely take care.
I want to add a question here related to
casual approach. And not body posture is very important.
In the end only, I would add. If I will not pause it,
definitely turn to you, knowing that that person at least listen and definitely.
So now see it. You can see that I want to add.
So that's all for.
Now in the end, I want to add questions. First one, I want to add a multiple choice question, as I've already shown. For this multiple type of questions, I want same time as 10 seconds. I want to pause the video. Since it's the multiple choice question, it will take a lot of time. I want to be displayed it as a poster. Now multiple choice question, you can give it a title, or you can just multiple choice only this way. Now the question is 5 parts of 5 techniques. Sorry, I would just write 3 important aspects of body language. So I would add on, as it is a multiple choice question, so I have to just go with the text which is correct. First one is gestures. Next one is so I will tick on the correct one if that is correct one. Next I will write LSRW. it is not correct, I will not tick it. Now add option, you can add the option of your choice. The option is posture. This is also correct, gesture, posture. And the next one is, again I would add option, this is facial expression. So I have added this. This is also correct, so I will take care. I want to add one more option which is not going to be correct one, that is reading. Just as it is, I'm just writing. So this is my multiple choice question is now ready. This will appear like this. You will not click on the save button till you have done with your work. Now see, you can again resize it as per your own choice or as per your own need. It will appear like this. Okay, so this is the question. You want to drag it and you want it more to be in this way. You can increase its size and your video will work. See, here it is. So this is how we have added this multiple choice question, and see this dot is appearing. Now if you want to add any statement, if you want to add any summary in the end, you can. Once it is done, you can, if you have written it somewhere, you can add the statement related to. So summary, it is facts about body language. I can label it about body language. Now facts about, okay, there is a correction required. Now see, summary, choose the correct statement. If you want, you can write it this way. If you want, list the statements for the summary. If you want to add any kind of statement, you can choose the correct statement. No, I don't want this, or I can even be with it. List the statement for the summary. First statement is correct only. Body language is a part of non-verbal communication. Is non-verbal communication. That is why it is a bit taking it a bit time, as I am just writing it. Body languages. So this statement is your correct one. The other one, it is body language, I will use BL, is verbal communication. So I don't want to add any other statement to that, and I don't want to add any feedback. I can add a feedback also. If the student corrects it, then I can write great job. So we will just see to it. Range from 0 to 100%, that's okay. You want to add a range 0 to 10% also you can add. So that is also done. We have added, right? Now I don't want to add anything. I will just say done. See, here it is. Now I have not chosen it as a box or anything, so it is appearing like this. When the student will click on it, only then it will come forward. Now we have done all the changes we want to make. We don't want to make any other changes, so it will give us an option of save. Now your video is about to be saved. It will come on your account page. See here, now you will be able to watch it, the changes we have made here. So directly I would take you here only. The sound might mix, or I can mute the sound for you people. Now you can see this. Now see, the video is paused, and important aspects of body language are facial expressions, gestures and postures. The student will check it, and if the all are correct, then the video would be continued. So this is how we have created our first. Now if you want to share it with your students, what you supposed to do is, you just need to click here. You just need to right click, copy video URL, copy embedded code. See, it would be better here, it is given below your video, embed. Once you embed your video, it comes up with this type of dialog box. Now the embed option will be limited soon. Don't use H5P. This is because it is for trying out, and otherwise it will not be there. So we will copy it and share it with the students. You can share it on message, you can share it on Facebook or any other website wherever you are teaching your students. This is because my trial pack is about to be over, so you can use it in this way. So this is all about your H5P Tools lesson 1, that is interactive video.